Hi, Jacob. Do you have a helicopter? You have a helicopter? What does the helicopter do? Can you push the pilot? Michael's gonna help you.
Come on. Hey! See? How about it?
Hi, Jacob. Hi. You turn the music on? Your pilot fell out. I know, you're watching Michael in the school bus. Here, put your pilot back in. Okay, Michael's down here with his new school bus. Hi, Michael. Want to show us your bus? You gotta back up. You're behind the chair. And bring it out here. There you go. Stop. Well, where'd all the people go? There's the driver. You got the people back there? Michael's got the bus doing music. Okay, bye-bye.